What is happening, y'all? This is Neff again with Nocturnal Labs. Today we're gonna sharpen this little bad boy. It's a Gerber baby machete, I guess if you can call it. And I already have this piece on there because I'm gonna use this Tormek, which I've owned probably for 4 years now, and I'm still on the same stone and sharpen a whole bunch of stuff. The reason I like this bad boy is because this stone uses water and it doesn't mess up the temper or whatever on your blade, which I thought was pretty cool. But you have to put a lot of water in it because that stone soaks it up quick. You got to make sure it's always at the right level because that's what's going to keep your blade from messing up when you sharpen it. But just to show you guys, I mean, it's sharp, it's a machete, but it's not NEF'S sharp. It doesn't cut straight. I want it to go like that. Yeah, I want it to run it through and that bad boy slices everything. I know it's a machete, it's for cutting wood and stuff like that, but it could be sharper. So that's what we're gonna do today. And just so y'all see, it's brand new. There's a little sticker. So I already have it set to 25 degrees for the edge, which I like using this bad boy because you turn it on and you just run it through and flip it around. Do the same thing, run it through on the other side. You run it through a couple times and then we'll test it to see how good it cuts. All right, y'all, so here we go. Actually, I'm gonna need to adjust this piece closer to the middle so I can keep the blade on the stone. Do a quick measurement just to make sure we're still at 25. We're golden. This is what I use to measure it, by the way. It comes with the actual Tormek, gives you all the guides and everything, so you can't go wrong. All right, here we go. One more time again. Much better. Much better. All right, let's go to this side. Bad boy here, doesn't get stuck on any of those. Beautiful. One more time again. That's sharp. Do one more. One on each side. and then we'll hit it with the leather strop. Oh yeah, one on each side, and then we'll see. And this is real life. I'm not editing, I'm not cutting, I'm not doing anything. So you guys see how quick it sharpens. I think that's it. It feels very sharp. We just have to run it on the leather strap. This, it also brings a honing compound, so you can put on your leather strap, so whenever you run it on there, it's actually doing some type of work. So this is what we're gonna put on it. Alright, let's give it a go on the strap. And this is running that way. Make sure you put your knife on it the right way. You don't want to put it on here and then it kicks back on you. And I think that's it, folks. Let me clean this up real quick. Take this off of there. And we might be ready to chop some zombie. Alright, y'all, so I wiped it down. Not very white, because my wife is mopping right now, and if I go in there, she'll probably use this on me because I dirty her floor. So. But let's see. Get closer. See if you guys can see now. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Let me see if I can do this. Yes. Now I like it, baby. Woo, buddy. See? What did that take? A couple minutes on Tormek, and this little Gerber machete, baby machete. I'm gonna call it a baby machete. It's nice and sharp now. Yes, it was sharp when I bought it, but I wanted it to be a little more sharper, because you know I like cutting paper. Look at this. Nice and straight. That's how I like my blades to be. Oh man, I can keep doing this all day. You see, that's what I like right there. Run the whole blade through and the whole thing cuts. That's how I like my stuff. So if you guys like the video, hit that like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. We'll be putting a whole lot more videos out. We did start throwing knives, and we made our own little setup, but we actually ordered a professional piece of wood with the stand and everything, so we could throw the knives at it. I won't be throwing this, but we might be doing the axe throwing, because my daughter wants to actually start throwing axes, so that might be one of the next videos coming up. So hey, you guys stay blessed. Peace. We're actually gonna give it a try. We have an empty water bottle. I don't know if it's gonna be heavy enough to keep it there, but last time I used a water bottle and it sprayed everything. So let's see how this one works. I think it's got to have water in it. It just hits it off. Well, it cuts it. It's just not heavy enough to cut straight through. Not a samurai, but y'all have a blessed one.